right here in this box. Some of you know what it is. It's the Traxxas Blast. So the Traxxas Blast is going to be the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I promised as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, I'm gonna get one of these and then I'm gonna give one away. So let's open this up and see what we get. So in the box, you get a bag. But in that bag, you get the warranty registration, a service and support guide, an ID auto battery guide, a notice telling me about the 540 20-turn motor, instruction manual, a toolkit, and a DC charger. And all this charger is, it's just a 12-volt charger. You don't get a charger to plug into the wall to charge your battery. You also get a boat stand. It comes with a top qualifier 2.4 gigahertz controller, but it doesn't come with the 4 AA batteries that you need to power it. Okay, let's take a look under this lid here. So this lid it's not like locked down with anything. It is held down by a rubber band. I'm gonna disconnect this rubber band so I can take this lid off. There is all the electronics. We have the Nautica ESC, steering servo, receiver, and everything is waterproof. Here we have a 540 brushed 20-turn Stinger motor, and then right here is, wait, this is a tight fit for this battery. Wow. Oh my gosh. There, finally. Wow. That is not convenient at all. But it comes with a 7.2 volt, 3000 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride Traxxas ID battery. So I gotta give this a charge and we are ready to run this Traxxas Blast. Alright, we are ready to run this blast. There was a little bit of pre-run things that needed to be done. And the first one was you had to drill a hole right there in the top for drainage. In case you get water in there while you're out running it, you just tip it up and drain it. Now let me tell you, it felt like all kinds of wrong drilling this hole. But then I realized that there's a hole right here for the antenna, and this lid has no rubber sealing on it, and it's just held down by a rubber band. So if water's going to get in, it's going to get in through there, and this little hole really doesn't mean much. Also, if water does get in, there is foam right there on both sides that goes the entire length of this boat, so it will not sink, it will float. And all the electronics inside are waterproof, so not that big of a deal. I really don't like this lid. I don't know why they can't just put some type of locking lid on there. They have to use a rubber band. So we're gonna plug it in, and this has an on and off switch right here. So there's no sensor like to turn it on automatically when it's in the water. There's an on and off switch. I see the red receiver light. Turn the controller on, and let's see if we have a bind here. Yep. Oh yeah. I like how the actual propeller turns on the rudder like that. But let's get this in the water. I'm not supposed to put it in water that's less than 10 inches. must say that I was actually expecting it to be a little bit faster, but this is a really heavy boat. Still sounds pretty awesome out on the water there. That's about as tight of a right turn, and there's the left turn. See if we have any water in there. Oh, we do. Look at that. See the water coming out the drain hole there? Quite a bit of water. Let's check under the lid here, see how wet it got. Oh, stuff does have water drops on under here. Still running out, but now I see why they tell you to put that there. I was a little reluctant on doing it at first because it just, like I said, it feels really wrong doing that, but now I'm kind of glad that I did, because there really is no other way to get it out of there. You know what, I'm gonna put the GoPro on this. I think I could do a speed test. I'm gonna do a speed test with this just to see how fast it is. All right, I have you on the boat. This is actually the first boat that is big enough that I can put a GoPro on. We'll find out when I do the edit and I can see the actual speed. It just doesn't seem all that fast. And here's the brutally honest thing. This is $180. I think I have more fun with the budget brand boats that are a little smaller. They zip across the water pretty good, but this thing takes its time. It's awesome, but disappointing at the same time. I was hoping for a little more speed. They should change the name of this from the Blast to the Last, because you be coming in last place with this boat. But I think a few little upgrades might help it out. Put a lipo in here, a brushless motor. I think this thing will rip. When I stop running, I can actually hear an echo off the mountain. Yeah, I hear an echo. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this thing echoes through the valley here. Another thing is, I want to be very careful with it because it does not have like a self-righting feature. So if this flips over, you're pretty much stuck in the water. They even say that in the manual. You're pretty much stuck in the water. So you either have to swim for it. They recommend tying a tennis ball to a rope and throwing the ball. Like if you're 200 feet out, good luck getting that ball to go right where that boat is. Luckily for me, I brought my drone with, and I have a fishing net that I can hang down and hopefully snag it and bring it back to shore if it does flip over or die, lose signal, whichever. I actually had to use my drone for another boat in the past. I'll leave a link to that video up in the corner there. But yeah, I did do a drone rescue for a boat. But let's run this boat around a little more. So that was the Traxxas Blast. A little disappointed on the speed, but we're gonna have to change that. Some upgrades coming in the future. So this is how the giveaway works. Unfortunately, because the cost of shipping is so high and even the cost of RCs is going up, this will only be for US subscribers. But for the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below. And then your comment is your entry. And then on November 1st, I'm gonna go live and I will randomly pick a winner of your very own Traxxas Blast. So good luck to everybody in the giveaway. Thank you everybody who clicked that subscribe button and got me to 5K. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see who gets the next Ready to Run RC.